Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Welcome to the start of October and a brand new quarter. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Pretty quiet week for earnings, but we will see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app so you can stay up to date with the latest market news, manage your smart portfolio on the go, and access your favorite research tools. The link to both the Apple and Google app stores is in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning, and oil prices are surging on anticipation of an OPEC production cut. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.53%, S&P 500 futures up 0.37%, and NASDAQ futures barely in the green at 0.01%. Late on Friday last week, Tesla had their AI Day, where they unveiled the latest model of their humanoid robot. The AI-powered Optimus robot features a 2.3 kilowatt battery pack, which Tesla said should last for a day's worth of work. The mass-market robots will be initially tested by handling simple jobs such as car factories before being set to perform real-world tasks. Elon believes that Tesla can bring them to market in 3 to 5 years for less than $20,000. Tesla also updated investors on their autonomous driving software and the Dojo supercomputer that is being set up to train its in-house artificial intelligence. In further Tesla news, they did report their quarterly deliveries, which set a new record but fell short of expectations. Tesla reported third quarter deliveries of 343,830 cars, but Wall Street was looking for a delivery number of about 358,000. That third quarter number is a big jump from their 254,000 back in the second quarter, but missing the analyst expectations will still be a disappointment to investors in the short term. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 17%. We also heard delivery numbers from Chinese EV companies NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng. We had a mix as far as some being up year over year, some fairly flat, and some down. For the month of September, NIO delivered 10,878 vehicles, which was up just 2.35% year over year. For the third quarter, they did deliver over 31,000 vehicles, which was at the lower end of their guidance. XPeng September numbers came in down 11.6% month over month at 8,468. Their Q3 deliveries were at 29,570, which was up 15% year over year. And Li Auto's September deliveries came in at 11,531, which was up over 10% month over month and 62.5% year over year. Last week, however, the company did lower their Q3 vehicle delivery outlook to 25,500 from their previous range. Consolidated Edison has agreed to sell its Con Edison clean energy business to German utility company RWE. The transaction is valued at $6.8 billion and will nearly double RWE's renewable portfolio in the U.S. Con Edison said that the deal will allow them to sharply focus on their core utility business and the investments needed to lead New York's ambitious clean energy transition. Analysts currently rate the Con Edison stock a moderate sell with an average upside of 2.6%. Google is shutting down one of its few remaining products in China as the Google Translate app comes to an end. Mainland China users are now shown a static image of a generic Google search bar, as well as a link to the company's Hong Kong-based domain, which is blocked for mainland Chinese users. The abrupt suspension adds even more bricks to China's Great Firewall and disrupted some Chinese apps that relied on Google for translation. The Google stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 49%. Myovant Sciences is said to be rejecting an initial $2.4 billion acquisition offer. The offer comes from Sumitomo Biopharma, who currently has a 52% stake in Myovant. They offer to acquire the remaining shares of the company for $22.75 per share. The pharma company stated that the board of directors formed a special committee to evaluate and consider the offer and determined that it significantly undervalues the company and therefore is not in the best interests of the company or its shareholders. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average price target of over $20, which has already been surpassed in the pre-market this morning. As I mentioned at the beginning, it is a pretty quiet week for earnings, and today is especially quiet, so we're moving right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Viasat, as it said they are nearing a deal with L3 Harris to purchase one of their units. Under the ticker VSAT, the stock is currently up 11.5%. They're followed by AMTD Digital under the ticker HKD, up nearly 11%, and Petróleo Brasileiro under PBR, up 9.5%. And our biggest loser this morning seems to be cooling off from gains last week, that is PDC Energy. Under the ticker PDCE, their stock is down 8.7%. They're followed by Credit Suisse under the ticker CS, down 5.8%, and Tesla under the ticker TSLA, down 4.7%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, say good morning in the comments down below, and don't forget to download that TipRanks mobile app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.